For decades, vaccines were something most of us probably didn't give much thought to. Then COVID happened, and suddenly vaccines were all we thought about. Today, facts about vaccines matter more than ever. That's why the Louisiana Office of Public Health's immunization program created Vax Matters, a podcast focused on all things vaccine. In it, we look at vaccines from every angle and separate the fact from the fiction. We go through the history of vaccines.
So the first vaccine that was created is actually the smallpox vaccine, and it is a very interesting story.
All the way up to the coronavirus.
There were 2 weeks in the middle of March 2020 when we had the fastest growing outbreak to date in the world, faster than Italy, faster than South Korea, faster than Wuhan, China itself.
We get information straight from the experts.
And because we had that level of trust, she was able to say, I read this somewhere and I don't know if this is actually correct, so I'm going to ask you.
Not from something we read on the internet.
Anyone can have an opinion or speculation, but science doesn't work that way.
And along the way, we'll learn a fact or three.
Vaccines don't cause autism. It's just not true. But people latch onto this because of underlying fears and anxieties.
In a teaspoon of seawater, there's more than 1 million viruses.
Our vaccines are safer than they've ever been. While we are vaccinating against more diseases, we have improved every vaccine as much as we can, and that's an ongoing process.
So if knowing more about vaccines and how they protect you and your family matters to you, tune in to the Vax Matters podcast.
Vaccination has been one of the greatest triumphs of public health of the 20th century.
New episodes are posted twice a month wherever you get your podcasts. So click the banner now to learn more.